In this video I can see you how need use program for crack password ladder. Okay, we have two ladder program and two program for crack it. Now first stage, we need enter on first program, then we need choose file, open PMC1 CB, PMC1 open. Okay, we have it is password for reading and editing, and this password only for reading. Okay, if we are open any file, we have very bad. Okay, then we need choose second stage. Second stage, we need Windows R or Windows R, and then we need CMD. We need input CMD for command string. Okay, we have opened command string. Then we need go to this disk E, then VirtualBox, then run. Okay, we are go CD E. Oh, sorry, CD E. Oh, sorry, CD. We need go to main district, then E. Okay, then we can input dir. Okay, we have VirtualBox directory CD virtual press box. Okay, dir. Then we need go to iron CD iron. Okay, dir. Then we are get program get pass. Okay, get pass X, and then we need after space we need input PMC ladder file PMC SB .000. Okay, we have a password for editing and displaying DIB and etc. symbol, and for display password we need input 027304. That's all. Okay, good luck.